Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to review the Infinix Note 7. And in case you're wondering what kind of a phone it is, let's do it. I mean, it really is a stunning phone. It's in stunning price and it has a lot to offer which the other competition lacks. So let's go. In case you're new here, subscribe because I make awesome videos. I mean, at least they're awesome to my standards, at least right now. So I might be making even awesome videos in the future, so subscribing might help me, and you, of course. First of all, let us talk about the main highlight of the Note 7, which is its circular camera formation. This is a fresh arrangement, as other brands prefer to arrange the cameras vertically. This is what makes the Infinix Note 7 very different from its mid-range counterparts. And it really looks good. I mean, it really makes it stand out in the competition. And the fingerprint sensor and the volume rockers are on the right side of the things. And the fingerprint sensor is really extremely fast and reliable, and it was accurate. I mean, even after having a little bit of water on my hand, it was able to recognize my thumb really good, and I really loved how it felt. There is a micro USB port, a speaker grill and a headphone jack on the bottom of the phone, but I'm not sure why Infinix decided not to include the earphones inside the box. Overall, it comes in three colors, which are the Bolivia Blue, Aether Black and Forest Green, which is by the way you were seeing in the video, and the build quality is pretty good and it didn't feel cheap at all. Just after taking a first good look on the Note 7, you will notice a huge 6.95 inches of massive display, which is an IPS panel of course. And after using it for a while, I can safely say that on paper it seems like a really bad display with 258 ppi, but in reality it is something far more greater, and the hole punch cutout is also really not too big to be distracting. An overall B+ for a mid-range phone actually. Infinix Note 7 offers a quad camera setup in a circular arrangement, giving it a look similar to the OnePlus. The main camera is 48 megapixel along with a 2 megapixel macro sensor, a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel dedicated video camera. Whereas on the front side, there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera inside the punch hole. Now let's see a few image samples and then you can see how the image quality looks like. The Infinix Note 7 comes with a 5000 mAh of battery cell and a 18-watt fast charger inside the box. The battery life has been superb, and this is the strongest selling point of the phone, at least in my opinion. In my usage, it is a complete 2-day phone, and it also charges very quickly with the 18-watt fast charger. On paper, it doesn't look like the Infinix Note 7 can game very well, but perhaps I was very wrong, and compared to its counterparts, I can safely say that it is just as good, if not better, in terms of GPU performance, and in terms of CPU, it is even better. MediaTek has done it once again. but the 12nm chipset does not allow the 5000 mAh battery to be fully optimized, but still it is very good in terms of gaming. But the higher frame rate options are still not available on most of the games. Like PUBG runs on HD plus high. By using GFX you can reach to the extreme, and it did not have any sort of problems there. So overall you can game on it, but it is not the main focus of the Infinix Note 7. So it is safe to say that I can finally recommend an Infinix phone in 2020, and it is the Infinix Note 7, and it is one of the best, if not the best, in mid-range sector. So I would safely say go for it and you're not gonna regret it. It is built for the masses who love bigger displays and bigger batteries with 4 cameras on the back side of the things. So yes, you can go for it, and I'm signing out. Make sure to subscribe if you did like the video. I am Arida San, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.